Everyone, this is Nabit from Berlin. Have you ever wondered how your phone knows exactly what you are about to type? Or how Netflix knows you're in the mood of 90s thriller movie before you even do so? No, right? Yeah, so most people think it's a magic or Bose, but the phone is listening to them. But as a data scientist, I can tell you that the truth is actually more interesting. It's actually called the black box. Today, I'm going to open it up in front of you, yeah, and show you exactly how AI makes those decisions better about your life. Okay, so think of AI as a brain, but as a giant map of high dimensional geometry. Okay, so when you give an AI an image of a cat, it doesn't see the cat, right? So it sees just millions of numbers and pixels. So if you're familiar about image processing, you know that every image consists of those um, information, right? Row, column, you can get those pixel values, and that's how the image is consisted of. Yeah, and it plots those numbers as coordinates on a map, and if those coordinates land near other points labeled cat, the AI says, "Hey, that's a cat," and it's not thinking. It's kind of pattern recognition or pattern matching. And the problem is sometimes the map is so complex that even we, the creators, we don't fully understand why the AI made this specific choice, because it's a black box problem, right? And here is what it gets real. So if we train an AI using the data that is biased, oh, it's very dangerous, and like hiring data from the last 50 years, or AI will learn those biasness, right? And it will think that certain people are better for jobs just because of historical patterns they have. And this is why human mode theory is so important. I mean, we need humans to audit the black box, right? To get the results we want. And we need people who can look at AI's output and say, wait a minute, that's not the logic I wanted. And that's a mistake. The most valuable skill I can say for 2026 or upcoming future is not just building AI, but to correct it. Correcting is the most important skill now, because now AI can do very good coding, but you need someone who can justify it. So if you, for example, want a career in tech, don't just learn to code. Learn to interpret. This is very vital now. Like companies are desperate for explainable AI experts, people who can translate the black box for business owners or lawyers. Yeah, depends on domains also. And in my next video, I will try to show you which specific tools you can use to improve yourself and write efficient coding. And for this, you don't have to be math genius, trust me. You just need to be curious. Yeah. And this black box doesn't have to be scary. It's just a tool, or like any tool, and it's only as good as a person holding it. So, does the black box idea worry you, or does it fascinate you? Let's talk about it in the comment sections. Yeah. Bye.